Welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy guide on how to add Klarna to Shopify. So here's a simple step-by-step guide on how you can easily add Klarna to Shopify. So the first thing to do as a first step is to log into your Shopify domain dashboard. Then from the left menu, click on settings and select payment. So under the payment provider, click add payment method, then search for Klarna in the list. So choose Klarna payment or Klarna pay later, then click activate. Then you will need a Klarna merchant account. So if you don't have one, click the link to apply and create an account right in the page. So once approved, Klarna will provide you with API credentials, which include your merchant ID, API key, and other important information. Then enter this credential into the field in Shopify, then click save to finish the setup. And from there, you are now had your Shopify store, and the customer will see Klarna has a payment option at checkout. And that's how you can easily use Klarna or add Klarna to your Shopify. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more guide.